moment, a special moment that we live in today. We are celebrating 50 years of history. We are celebrating that, yes, one woman came. And you and I are participants in this historic moment. I can see the happiness and the joy that fills your heart. And I want to congratulate you for being here. This is not just another seminar. This is the seminar that will possibly change your life forever. Today, we celebrate and are witnesses to how a powerful dream from one woman was able to build a powerful company that allows women around the world to live their impossible dream and celebrate victories. Today, we recognize and attest once again that there has never been a better opportunity for women in the whole world than Mary Kay Cosmetics. I am so grateful for this opportunity. You may be asking yourself, how in the world did this woman with her broken English get to speak today? Well, I have to tell you that it was not just a win. I'm here by the grace of God. I am here because a group of exceptional women did an exceptional job, and I am representing them here today. They are my daughters, my granddaughters, my great-granddaughters in Mary Kay. They make up the Castano dynasty. Please join me in giving them a well-round and deserved applause. When Mary Kay came into my life, I was a poor housewife. I was not rich, I was not poor, I was just bored. And I had a 3-month-old baby who was also bored. I would look at him all day, he would look at me, I would look at him, he would look at me. Well, he still looks at me, he's here with me today. He's my right hand. I found it fascinating to be able to do this business at home. I asked the director for the director's agreement. It seems like a good position for me. Obviously, it doesn't work that way, and I had to be a consultant. A consultant for 6 months. During this time, I was pregnant with my second child, my Dora. The two of us traveled to Dallas. I was 5 months pregnant for my DQ week. And here in Dallas, my life changed forever. I met Mary Kay in person. I remember it vividly. There, Mary Kay captivated me, and I understood that this was my place and my mission. I understood how grand her dream was. I am the result of her teachings. I was her unconditional student, her most ardent admirer, and her eternal follower. Today, I would like to talk to you, the woman sitting in your chair. I am not going to tell you anything that you don't already know. It will just be in a different accent. When you signed that beautiful, independent beauty consultant agreement, there was something that you wanted to change, something that you dream of achieving. You are here today. And I would like to suggest to you that you observe and listen to all the messages that you will be receiving during this seminar. Seminar can awaken within you a powerful dream, or it could rekindle your dream. It doesn't matter how long you have been in Mary Kay. What matters is today. We cannot live in a yellow photographs because our Creator is not the great I was or the great I will be. He is the great I am. That wants you to act in your time today. It is difficult to put together in a few minutes all the multiple reasons that exist to inspire us to do this business. But I do know that the woman that is sitting in your chair, full of hopes, desire, excitement, can have it all here. Your search is over. You are sitting where hundreds of women have sat that face the same challenges, and today they live their dream. The difference is in you. The magic is in you, and preserve your conviction. Don't look somewhere else. You already have everything you need. Mary Kay started this company thinking of you, the woman who is sitting in that chair. Enjoy the privilege of being called one of her daughters, the way she always used to call us. For that reason, today, my biggest desire is to be able to talk to your heart with my heart. Mary Kay's promise is still alive. Her promise was, bring your dreams, your hopes, your projects, and together we will achieve them. A young woman found a genie lamp, and the genie, like always, offered her 3 wishes. Her first wish, to become the most beautiful woman, and poof, it was granted. Her second wish was to find her ideal partner, and poof, it was granted. The third wish was, I want to be rich and famous. The genie stared at her and thought for a second, and poof, he gave her a Mary Kay beauty case. Yes, inside that beauty case you can find everything. Examine it very closely. Keep it in the most visible place of your house. Take it for a trip. Using that beauty case along with an unbreakable faith were the key components to the success and the internal transformation of a housewife who was able to transform her first commission check of $43 to an income of $500,000 a year. Take that first step with faith in your future, and you will have strength in the present. Look around you and see how many sisters you have in Mary Kay. When my children, I also found my sisters when I joined Mary Kay. When my children were growing, I remember always telling them that if for any reason they were lost or didn't know what to do, to look at the yellow pages and find an independent Mary Kay sales director and tell her who they were. I was sure that that sister director will do the impossible to put that child back in my arms. That's what makes the difference. What makes this company so unique. This is what the rest are jealous of. They do not understand how a housewife, an engineer, a secretary, a nurse, a young woman, a woman that is not that young, a pretty woman, a woman that is not that pretty, can celebrate together with faith and hope for the future. What makes us grand is that we have history. We have our beloved Mary Kay's legacy, that our values are as important in 2013 as they were in 1963. I know that we will have obstacles, challenges, and sadness of the way. I have already forgotten mine. I only remember my victories. I was, am, and always will be a proud housewife with an executive income. I preserved the same family I had when I started. I never wanted to reinvent what I already knew worked. I never went after money. I went after my own satisfaction of helping, and the money always has followed me. This is very simple. Put your heart first. I once heard a story about a group of mountain climbers that were about to scale a mountain when a snowstorm hit. All of them stayed in safety, except for one who continued. The rest looked at him with envy because he continued and made it to the top. When he got on, they asked him how he was able to do it, and he answered, I sent my heart first and my body followed. It is that simple. Send your heart first. This is how I started years ago, telling the Mary Kay story. And a lot of women began joining me. Today, I can say with joy that more than 20,000 consultants and directors and 16 national sales directors are connected one way or another with the Castano family tree. Some of those nationals were at one time directors in my original area, and I am so proud of them. Once again, I like to direct the attention to you, the woman sitting in your chair, and ask you, are you ready to be part of the enormous growth that Mary Kay Cosmetics will experience in the future? Get excited and fall in love with your dream and your why. Begin to write your success story today. Tell the Mary Kay story to everyone. This is your opportunity to be everything you ever wanted to be. Stay away from negative people. If you want to fly with eagles, you should look toward the summit. You should not be digging in the ground like the chickens. Recognize who you are. Becoming a student of success. There is a proverb that reads, with intelligence you will have the fight, and in the teachers you will find the victory. Prepare yourself. Learn every aspect of your business. Where there is wisdom, there is prosperity. Make your dreams come true. Finish your project. Look within yourself for the multiple possibilities, talents, and abilities that each one of you know you possess. You are the Mary Kay Giants promises. This mission is bigger than your 1,000 fears. Think of that mother that hurts her when she leaves her children to go to war. Think of those women that are waiting for you. The woman that is sitting in your chair to give them an opportunity. You cannot fail that little girl within you that used to look to the sky and dream of being a star. Dare to dream. You are the star now. Let the world see how bright and radiant you are. Have faith. The same God that gave you the dream has equipped you with the tools to realize them. In closing, I would like to tell you something that had a big impact on me years ago. It was a story about the famous film director Cecil B. DeMille. Whenever he wanted to solve a problem, he would get in his boat and go rowing. One time, he stopped his boat near the edge of the lake and noticed that the ground was full of caterpillars. While he was observing them, one of them crawled up a branch and appeared to have died. A while later, he looked back at that caterpillar and observed that its shell had dried up and become wrinkled. It looked terrible. While he continued to watch it broke open and a beautiful butterfly slowly came out. It flew away displaying its delightful colors under the sun. This splendorous creature, in an instant, reached higher than the caterpillar had in all its days. This butterfly, after shedding its soul's self, had won freedom between heaven and earth. How many times we have dreamed about being something more? Perhaps we are like the caterpillar, conscious of our destiny by delaying our evolution because of fear of facing our own transformation. Later on, DeMille talked about this. When DeMille talked about this experience, he always concluded with this penetrating question. Will the creator of the universe do this for a caterpillar and not for a human being? DeMille did not believe so, And I don't believe so either. May God bless each one of you abundantly. Thank you very much.